What's up guys, welcome to Supercars of London and the Sunday of our Barbados adventure, and we're here at Bushy Park for the Festival of Speed. This is a huge event for Barbados. Everyone involved has been working incredibly hard, and behind me there is a pretty big queue already for people that are handing their tickets over and going inside. Lewis Hamilton is one of the first people on, and there is a ton on display today, both cars and bikes, all sorts of different varieties, lots of racing, lots of entertainment. I'm incredibly excited. We are starting the video in the car park and we're going to check out some of the cars that are here in Barbados. Before we kick things off, I just want to shout out to the policeman who knew who me and Sam were, which was pretty surreal actually. A policeman on a police bike who said, "Seen through glass, Supercars of London." That was cool. Member of the Red Crew. Sam secretly wants to be a member of Blue Crew. The music has stopped, meaning I can vlog, and we have got ourselves up in the clubhouse. What's up? Well, I'm about to get the start on camera. But anyway, this is our view. We are getting excited. We can hear the F1 car. It is so far away and we've got Harley Davidsons all here, yet you can still hear it. So you're saying it's 2013? Yeah, it must be. So 2013 car, meaning it still screams how everyone wants F1 cars to sound now.